Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you all the sensors and I'm gonna tell you how to clean it. And there we have the XIAOMI Robot Vacuum X20 Pro. So the first main sensor is located here on the top of your appliance. Is a 360-100 liter sensor. The next one we have on the side of your appliance, on the right side, the side sensors, and there you have the 4 cliff sensors on the bottom of your appliance. And how to clean it. I'm always using the dry paper towel without any alcohol from the sanitizers, with the glycerin, fragrance or the other stuff that can just damage your sensors. So if you want to use the alcohol, use only the IPA 70 for the electronic parts. Then clean it manually with the clean, dry mop or the paper towel, and basically that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.